So the 12mm is for a class 3 membrane, which is for touch point to touch point. Okay, so across the hypotenuse of the triangle. Technically, if it's a class 2 membrane, we're going to be using this profile, which would be the 35mm. That's how it is according to the standard. Some of the issues that we're faced with as installers, this membrane's an impervious barrier layer. It's not the topical membrane coat. It's still significant, but what we need to understand is with this particular product that's been installed with this bandage, would it be a class 2 or would it be a class 3? Now, from my understanding, is it would be a class 2. Now, if that's the case, we would require a 35mm coat. So if you're going to install this product on top of the screen, which is going to be covered with tiles, that's going to pose an issue for the tiler. Then if you've got this bandage here, you still need clarification in writing from the manufacturer if installing over this bandage is the membrane coat a class 2 or 3. Now the membrane itself, generally this product is a class 2, but if we're using a flexible bandage over the junctions, it can upgrade it to a class 3. But with this bandage, the membrane is going to cover the entire bandage. It doesn't have the silicon or the bond breaker zone in the middle. So therefore, I would say it may actually be a class 2 membrane with this bandage, even though it's been specified by the manufacturer. So we need clarity from the manufacturer. Is it a class 2 or is it a class 3? Once we get that clarification, then that's when we need to adhere to the requirement from 3740 for a class 2 membrane, 35mm junction, for a class 3, 12mm bond breaker. So we need to address this or ask these questions as installers from our manufacturers so that we can ensure getting compliance with the code standards, manufacturers' requirements.